All right, in this question we have the figures shown each have a set of parallel lines intersected by a transversal. Based on the figures, what are the measures x, y, and z in degrees? Move the correct answer to each box in the table. Each answer may be used more than once, but not all answers will be used. Okay, so I think this is interesting that we're looking for the values of x, y, and z, and they give us these drawings that we don't do anything with. They're giving you basically how to figure this out. Okay, so what happens is, so it's saying you get parallel lines, which are these are parallel lines, and it's got this line going through both parallel lines. That's a transversal. Okay, and because of that, it tells us that this angle right here is equal to this angle, and they're showing you that. See, they're both 45 degrees. And then this angle, this 68 degrees, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, and then in this one, this angle is equal to this angle. So they're showing you how to figure out y and z. If you figure out one, then you get the other one. But you can actually solve these without understanding the transversal, but I mean, they're giving it to you in a way. So, but let's go ahead and look at it both ways. Okay, so if I want to solve for y, that's what I see first. There's a triangle, and every triangle, all the angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, always, any triangle. Okay, so we know two angles in this triangle. We've got this 30 degrees, and we've got this is 90 degrees. So that equals 120 degrees. So we know that last one is 180 minus 120, and that gives us 60 degrees. So we know that y is equal to 60 degrees. We have one of our answers. And because they showed you all of these other ones, like this, so z is equal to y, then we know that z is also equal to 60 degrees. But just in case you didn't know, you could figure it out as well, because it's 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, and that's 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 120. And so 180 minus 20, because let me get a different color, because this whole angle measurement is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 20 equals 60 degrees for z, which we already knew because it's a transversal. Okay, so now all we have to do is figure out x. So what is x? Okay, back to the 180, and you know a 180, if you're spinning and you're looking in this direction and you spin to the other direction and you're looking over here, that's a 180. Okay, it's the same thing here. It's 180 degrees, so I'm sure you already know that, but just in case. Okay, so we know what y is. Y is 60 degrees, and we need to subtract 60 from 180 in order to get x. So that's going to be 120 degrees. Okay, now we have all our answers. So all we need to do, hopefully I can still see you when I go down, there we go, is drag these numbers in there. I have to go smaller. So we've got 60 degrees is going to be y, so you just have to be careful you put them in the right spot, and z, so you're going to have to use that one twice, and then x is 120. Okay, this is a 2-point problem, by the way, so just be really careful and you get 2 points on that one as opposed to 1 for most of them. Okay, all right, I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one.